All right, so today on the Fixit Shed, after 4 or 5 years, it is time for part 2 of the deck repair video on my Toro LX420 mower. As you can see, it's not here, but I can still tell you what was wrong with it. Okay, just as a recap, so the mower, when I got it, the deck was not on it and it needed a belt. I bought the stock 109-inch half-inch belt and I installed it, and everything looked like it was spinning okay, except for that when I would lower the deck, it would reduce the tension on the belt and the belt would start slipping and the blades would stop spinning. So to resolve this, I bought a shorter belt, a 107-inch belt, and I installed that, and then I was able to raise and lower the deck. Unfortunately, after less than an hour of mowing, the belt completely shredded. And this was kind of an ongoing theme. I shredded a couple of belts trying to figure out what was wrong with this mower deck. I also installed a new PTO cable. I put the guards on it. The guards kind of act also as keepers. And I took the deck on and off 20, 30, 40 times. About 3 years ago, I found out that a friend of mine had the exact same mower. His was working fine. He let me borrow it over the winter. I took it apart. I did all kinds of measurements, and I couldn't find anything that was significantly different between the deck from his mower and the deck from my mower. So this spring, I gave it one last shot. I took things apart. I changed belts. I tried running it, and you could see the debris from the belt accumulating on the deck. I couldn't really figure out where it was rubbing. There wasn't anything obvious. There was the debris that you could use to try and locate it. There was, paint that was a little bit rubbed off, but when it was running, I couldn't really see it rubbing against anything. So I'm not exactly sure. Maybe that paint was rubbed off before. Maybe that was, from when the belt had shredded and things were kind of flopping around. I'm not entirely certain. So I kind of ran out of things to try, and at that point, I put the mower up for sale as is. So a very nice gentleman came, he bought the mower, and I asked him, I said, if you get it figured out, please let me know what it is. So over the next couple of days, he was sending me videos and pictures. Finally, he figured out that one of the pulleys was tipped a little bit. Okay, he put a bar across it, and the pulleys were not level. One of them was at a little bit of an angle. And it looks like maybe that was what was causing the extra wear on the belt. So he did end up putting up some washers under the spindle mounts to make it level. And as you can see in the video, things are turning. There's no debris accumulating on the deck. And it looks like it's working. So at this point, it looks like the deck was maybe slightly bent where the spindle mounts. All right, and I want to thank Alex for figuring this out and keeping me in the loop and providing the additional pictures and footage that you've seen here. All right, so if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help this channel out, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.